What's up everyone, David Manns here and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the core responsibilities of a software engineering manager. It's a role that's evolved a lot and it's way more than just assigning tasks. It's about building something sustainable and empowering your team to do their best work. Let's get started. All right, first up, let's talk about strategic planning and vision. This is, in my opinion, the absolute bedrock of effective management. Without a clear direction, even the most talented team can end up spinning their wheels. Strategic planning is about defining long-term goals and understanding the why behind what you're building. Regularly assessing industry trends is crucial. The tech landscape changes fast, and staying informed means you can anticipate shifts and identify new opportunities. This involves reading, attending conferences, and networking with other professionals. Involving your team in the planning process is essential. Your engineers have invaluable insights into technical feasibility and potential roadblocks. Bringing them into the conversation leads to better plans and fosters a sense of ownership. All of this needs to be tightly aligned with the company's overall objectives. Your team's strategy should support and amplify the broader goals of the organization. Regular communication with upper management and other department heads is key. Ultimately, strategic planning and vision setting are about providing clarity and purpose. When done well, it transforms a group of individuals into a focused unit capable of tackling complex challenges. Next on the list is team building and leadership. You can have the most brilliant strategy, but without a strong, cohesive team, it's just a document. This responsibility is about fostering an environment where people feel connected, supported, and motivated. At the core of effective team building is trust. Team members need to trust each other's abilities and intentions, and they need to trust you as their leader. Encouraging open communication is another huge piece of this puzzle. This means creating channels and a culture where feedback flows freely. Recognizing individual contributions is key to fostering a positive team culture. Everyone wants to feel valued and appreciated for their efforts. Ultimately, leadership is about serving your team. It's about removing obstacles, providing resources, and creating an environment where they can thrive. A strong leader inspires, guides, and supports, fostering a sense of shared purpose. And this is where you move from being a manager to being a true leader. Let's move on to our third key responsibility, mentorship and professional development. This is where you, as a manager, really invest in the future. Providing regular, constructive feedback is a cornerstone of effective mentorship. Feedback should be timely, specific, and actionable. Creating a culture where feedback is seen as a gift is crucial. Beyond feedback, creating concrete opportunities for skill development is essential. This could involve assigning challenging projects, providing access to training courses, or encouraging participation in hackathons. Supporting career growth also means having open conversations about career paths. Understand what your team members aspire to and help them map out a path. Ultimately, investing in mentorship and professional development pays huge dividends. It leads to a more skilled, more engaged, and more motivated team. This isn't just about managing tasks. It's about cultivating talent and building the next generation of leaders. Our fourth responsibility is fostering effective communication and collaboration. In software engineering, projects are rarely solo efforts. They require a team of people working together seamlessly. Implementing regular check-ins is a fundamental practice here. This includes regular one-on-ones, team meetings, and ad hoc discussions. Leveraging collaborative tools effectively is another major component. Establish clear guidelines for how and when to use different tools. Promoting a culture of transparency is also incredibly important. When team members understand the why behind what they're doing, they're better equipped to make good decisions. Transparency builds trust and reduces speculation or misinformation. Ultimately, effective communication and collaboration are about creating an environment where information flows freely. It's about breaking down silos and fostering mutual respect. When a team communicates and collaborates well, they can solve complex problems faster and produce higher quality work. Finally, let's talk about fostering adaptability and continuous improvement. If there's one constant in software engineering, it's change. A manager's ability to navigate this change is crucial. Encouraging a growth mindset throughout the team is foundational. When a team has a growth mindset, they see challenges as opportunities to learn and grow. Staying updated with industry advancements is part of this. Encourage your team to explore new tools and methodologies. Regularly reviewing and refining processes is another key aspect. What worked well for a small team might not scale as the team grows. Involving the team in this process ensures that improvements are practical. Ultimately, adaptability and continuous improvement are about building a team that embraces change. It's about creating a learning organization where everyone is empowered to contribute. In the fast-paced world of software engineering, the teams that can adapt and improve consistently are the ones that will thrive. So, there you have it. 5 key responsibilities that are fundamental to effective software engineering management. Mastering these isn't an overnight process. It's a journey of continuous learning and refinement. But focusing on these areas can truly transform your impact as a leader and the performance of your team. Each of these responsibilities interlinks and supports the others. A clear vision makes team building easier. Strong leadership fosters better mentorship. Good communication is vital for collaboration. And an adaptable mindset fuels continuous improvement. It's about creating a holistic system where your team feels empowered, supported, and aligned towards common goals. The real magic happens when these principles become ingrained in your team's culture. It's about more than just delivering projects. It's about building sustainable, high-performing teams that can tackle any challenge. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insightful content. Let me know in the comments which of these responsibilities you find most challenging or most rewarding.